Lots of imagining healthy and beautiful smile and healthy teeth. However, a couple of individuals attempt to try chemical whitening. Here we have discovered a number of treatments you can perform at home that will not damage your enamel or do you any damage at all. Of course, these techniques are not a replacement for regular visits to the dental professional. If you follow this advice regularly, you'll see your teeth lighten up a couple of tones, while your gums will become healthier. DIY whitening toothpaste. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric with the same quantity of clear coconut oil and 2-3 drops of mint oil. Use this mix as you would regular toothpaste. It will look after your enamel, lighten your teeth, and refresh your breath. Tea tree oil. If you water down 5 drops of 100% tea tree oil in half a glass of water and rinse your mouth with it every day after brushing your teeth, you'll see the lead to simply a few weeks. To make the impact a lot more striking, tidy your teeth additionally with a drop of oil 1 or 2 times a week, though not more frequently. Strawberry toothpaste. Take a fresh strawberry, and crush it with a spoon. Mix it with the finest sea salt you can discover, try grinding it in a coffee mill, put the resulting paste on a toothbrush, and gently massage your teeth for a couple of minutes. Then wash your mouth thoroughly. To secure your enamel, do this no more typically than every 2 weeks. Coconut oil. Apply some coconut oil to your teeth before brushing them, leave it there for 15-20 minutes, then completely brush with your toothpaste. Repeat this 2 or 3 times a week. Activated charcoal mask. Mix ground charcoal with water to get a sour cream texture, then carefully apply it to your teeth. Leave it there for 2 minutes, and wash your mouth thoroughly. After that, brush your teeth. Repeat this once or twice a week. Banana peel whitener. Banana peel includes compounds that liquefy dental plaque and aid maintain the perfect color of your teeth. Rub the within the peel into your teeth from both sides, and wait 5-7 minutes. Then brush your teeth and wash your mouth. Repeat as often as you like. Lemon mouthwash. Lemon mouthwash will help you lighten your teeth slowly and keep your breath fresh. Take 3 parts lemon juice and 1 part great salt, blend them together, and rinse your mouth completely after brushing your teeth. Use this approach 2 or 3 times a week. Basil leaves. Grind fresh basil delegates, make a puree, and utilize it regularly instead of your common toothpaste to bleach your teeth and make them healthier. You can also apply it for 5-10 minutes before brushing your teeth as usual. Aloe vera. To obtain a really Hollywood smile, use its fresh aloe vera juice or purchase some natural gel made from this plant. Rub some into your teeth, massage them with a toothbrush, and rinse completely. You can do this after each brushing, and after a couple of weeks, your smile will be bright and gleaming white.